can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. In today's video I would like to show you a continuation of the sprocket installation. I just got my bolt, which is in my hand right now, so I would like to show you the installation of the sprocket. And as of right now, I've got a torque wrench, ratchet, 8mm Allen key, and also a 14mm socket. So I have a special package. The controller just arrived in the mail, so I'm gonna show you guys the controller and let's take a look at it. This is the Power Driver 72800 controller. It is 800 phase amps or motor amps, and it's 430 amps battery current. It can deliver about 430 amps battery current. So this is a size comparison between the controller and this. This is a drill bit case, Ryobi drill bit case. As you can see, it's pretty much exactly the same size as this. And also this is $2 bills put together. So it's like roughly $2 bills put together. That's how it's a little bit longer than dollar bill, but it's about the same size of $2 bills stacked together. So that tells you how compact the controller is, you know. And this controller can pretty much fit in any e-bike, enduro frame, dirt bike frame, bicycle frame, just like that, you know, pretty much anything. And it also came with some accessories, nothing just the standard accessories. It came with a connector that includes, you know, the hall sensor wire, the Bluetooth dongle, the high speed, low speed switch or connector, and here is the Bluetooth dongle that came with it. And also it came with a set of hardware for the terminals, for the positive, negative, and the motor wire connectors. So that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. It seems like it's about to rain right now, so I kind of need to make this installation process as quick as possible. Let's get straight into it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hand tight everything, and after that I'm going to torque it. torque it. So I'm going to torque this to about 62 foot-pounds. So unfortunately, the threads on the bolt isn't long enough, and due to the thickness of the aluminum, so compared to stock, this is much thicker than the stock one. So I don't think there's any other OEM bolt that's longer than this. So my only option right now is to put a torque seal on it, and hopefully it doesn't come apart. So I have a torque seal right here, which I'm gonna apply to it. It's supposed to help prevent the stuff from, you know, moving around. So I'm gonna apply it to the bolt, to the nut, sorry, and hopefully it doesn't come apart. So let's get into it and hope for the best. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit right here. That. Just like that. Apply one right here too. Just like that. Spin around. And this stuff is used on like airplane boats and stuff, so I know this stuff is going to do its job. You can look this up online, look up torque seals, and you can order one online on eBay or Amazon. So that's it. Well, I hope you guys find this video informational or informative, and yeah, so stay tuned, and stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.